Welcome back to Imah Decor, where timeless elegance meets the future of luxury living. Today, we are stepping inside an extraordinary $65 million modern French provincial estate, a breathtaking ground-up masterpiece designed for 2026 living. From grand architectural symmetry to refined contemporary interiors, this estate perfectly blends old-world sophistication with modern innovation. Every inch of this mansion has been carefully curated to create a lifestyle experience that feels regal, inviting, and effortlessly luxurious. Before we begin this exclusive design reveal, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments about your favorite part of this incredible estate. The majestic exterior and arrival experience. As the gates slowly open, the estate immediately captivates with its commanding French provincial facade, featuring limestone walls, elegant arched windows, black steel detailing, and steep slate roofing that evokes the charm of European countryside chateaux. A long tree-lined driveway leads guests toward a grand motor court centered around a sculptural water fountain, creating a cinematic arrival experience. Soft exterior lighting highlights every architectural detail at night, while manicured hedges, lavender gardens, and symmetrical landscaping enhance the estate's timeless atmosphere. The designers intentionally combine traditional French aesthetics with minimalist modern geometry, resulting in a home that feels both classic and strikingly contemporary. The grand foyer and architectural statement. Stepping through the oversized iron and glass front doors, the foyer instantly establishes the home's luxurious identity with soaring ceilings, double-height windows, and a floating curved staircase crafted from natural oak and brushed bronze accents. Sunlight pours through expansive skylights, illuminating polished marble flooring and handcrafted wall moldings that celebrate French artistry in a fresh modern way. The interior palette focuses on warm neutrals, creamy whites, soft taupe tones, and organic textures that create an atmosphere of refined calmness. Every architectural element feels intentional, balancing grandeur with comfort while offering uninterrupted visual flow throughout the estate's open concept design. The living space is designed for elegance and comfort. The formal living areas redefine luxury entertaining with oversized lounge spaces framed by floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the gardens and resort-style outdoor terraces. Custom curved sofas, oversized chandeliers, natural stone fireplaces, and textured fabrics create layers of warmth without sacrificing sophistication. The design team incorporated contemporary French furniture silhouettes alongside modern art pieces to keep the interiors visually fresh and elegant. Hidden lighting systems embedded within ceiling details provide a soft ambient glow during the evening, transforming the atmosphere into something cinematic and intimate. Every room feels tailored for both grand entertaining and peaceful everyday living. The gourmet kitchen and dining experience. At the heart of the estate lies a spectacular chef's kitchen where traditional craftsmanship meets cutting-edge functionality. Massive marble islands, custom oak cabinetry, integrated smart appliances, and brushed gold fixtures create a luxurious culinary environment that feels timeless yet innovative. The kitchen seamlessly transitions into a sophisticated dining space highlighted by oversized pendant lighting and panoramic garden views. Adjacent preparation kitchens and hidden service areas ensure effortless hosting for large gatherings. Designers emphasized natural materials such as limestone, wood, and marble to maintain warmth and authenticity while preserving the elegant French provincial character throughout the home. The private suites and wellness retreat. The primary suite feels more like a 6-star boutique hotel retreat than a traditional bedroom. Vaulted ceilings, a dramatic stone fireplace, soft linen textures, and expansive terrace access create an atmosphere of complete serenity. The suite also features dual luxury dressing rooms with illuminated display cabinetry and a spa-inspired bathroom wrapped in marble, complete with soaking tubs, rainfall showers, and integrated wellness technology. Additional guest suites throughout the estate maintain the same level of luxury with custom furnishings, private terraces, and elegant architectural detailing. Every private space has been designed to prioritize tranquility, comfort, and understated opulence. Entertainment spaces beyond imagination. This 2026 estate goes far beyond conventional luxury by incorporating immersive entertainment and lifestyle amenities throughout the property. A state-of-the-art private cinema with acoustic wall treatments and reclining lounge seating offers a world-class viewing experience, while the underground wine cellar and tasting lounge provide an intimate setting for gatherings. The mansion also includes a luxury wellness spa, fitness pavilion, indoor pool, and a modern art gallery corridor illuminated by museum-quality lighting. Smart home automation controls everything from climate and lighting to privacy systems, ensuring that every aspect of the estate operates seamlessly and effortlessly. Outdoor living inspired by European resorts. The outdoor living spaces are equally extraordinary, designed to feel like a private European resort hidden within a modern estate. Expansive terraces feature elegant lounge areas, fire pits, outdoor dining spaces, and an infinity-edge swimming pool reflecting the architecture surrounding it. Carefully curated landscaping blends sculpted hedges with olive trees, climbing roses, and tranquil water features that soften the home's grand scale. Covered pavilions and outdoor kitchens encourage year-round entertaining while preserving an intimate atmosphere. As sunset light washes over the limestone exterior, the estate transforms into a glowing architectural masterpiece that feels both romantic and timeless. Conclusion: the future of timeless luxury living. This $65 million modern French provincial estate represents more than just extraordinary architecture, it symbolizes the evolution of luxury living for 2026 and beyond. By blending timeless European elegance with modern functionality, wellness-focused design, and cutting-edge technology, this ground-up masterpiece creates an environment that feels sophisticated, welcoming, and truly unforgettable. Every detail, from the grand exterior to the serene private suites, reflects a commitment to artistry and elevated living. If you enjoyed this exclusive estate tour, don't forget to subscribe to Imah Decor, like this video, and comment below about which part of this magnificent mansion inspired you the most.